At Celebal Technology, we're revolutionizing manufacturing with AI-driven insights that optimize efficiency and precision. From operator to executive, we turn data into smart decisions for better outcomes with Celebal Technologies' Shopfloor Intelligence, powered by Gen AI analytics and playbook. For the production head, real-time insights on man-hours reveal labor utilization at a glance. Compare planned versus actual hours, visualize labor productivity per assembly station, and understand the skill level across the floor. This dashboard empowers decisions, from optimizing shifts to reducing unnecessary overtime. The Work in Progress, or WIP, dashboard offers a powerful tool to manage production flow. With metrics for each assembly station, like cycle times and throughput, bottlenecks become visible, and throughput gains are within reach. The production head can keep operations on target and ensure timely completion. Production performance is streamlined with Gen AI insights on material yield, scrap quantities, and component consumption. A clear view of WIP and top components by scrap rates identifies areas to improve processes, reduce waste, and boost efficiency. When it comes to overall equipment effectiveness, the OEE dashboard breaks it down by availability, performance, and quality scores across stations. Production leaders have the data needed to improve machine efficiency and product quality, all at their fingertips. Machine status visuals capture runtime and downtime, helping users keep machines operating at peak performance, with insights from Gen AI ensuring optimal machine utilization. Need a drawing for the connecting rod? The playbook guides you through every step. Seal tolerance off? Follow the steps for quick, accurate adjustments. For the maintenance engineer, Gen AI analytics offer critical metrics to enhance maintenance strategies. By visualizing downtime reasons and comparing planned versus actual maintenance time, this dashboard assists in balancing maintenance schedules with production demands. Found a hydraulic leak? Start by checking the seals and loose parts and secure everything to fix it. If the cylinder press is vibrating too much, the playbook suggests likely causes, so you can troubleshoot quickly and get back on track. Our Quality Engineer dashboard puts product quality in focus. Track customer complaints, defective quantities by component, and defect codes across stations to strengthen quality control processes. Gen AI helps teams take corrective action faster, ensuring high standards at every stage. The control plan for MT004 is ready with every quality check listed. If the screw position is off, follow the playbook steps to measure, adjust, and verify. It's all there to help keep quality on point. Transform your shop floor operations with Gen AI-driven insights and playbooks. Contact us today to optimize productivity, minimize downtime, and ensure quality at every step.